Greetings, everyone. All right, so it is the end of most of the full class workshop, and I just wanted to let everyone know that this went well. So I appreciate you being brave and getting through all of your readings. I wish I could have said more, but it was important for you to listen and hear each other in that large setting and then give each other feedback. So as we head into next week and continuing the workshops, I want to just remind you that we have 5 people who will be going at the start of class. And then after that, we're going to move directly into the small class workshops. So we have the full class workshops. We have 4 people left to go. We're gonna get through those 4 people, and they will already have submitted their pieces and what they want us to focus on for giving feedback. Your homework assignment, what you need to do now is to look at the small group area and go into the small group workshops. If you see your name, that's your small group. So the first thing you need to do though is, so I'm clicking on my small group, make sure you review the workshop directions for the small group. So I'm going to just bring this up a sec. So you want to download that directions for the small group workshops. So I do ask you to fill out your name. You are the peer reviewer here. So my own name. So the date that you're getting started. And then whoever you are reviewing, I'm going to pick on Jamie, right? And then the type of fiction, the work you're going to be looking at. So this, they'll have to tell you. There are only 3 or 4 you in these small groups, so you should have time to complete this form for each person. And the same thing, they're going to tell you what their major issue is, what kind of feedback that they'd like to get from you. You should download their workshop piece. So you have to do 2 things. You're going to write on this form, and you're also going to give feedback on their actual workshop piece. And I have some estimated approximate times that you should spend on each other's works. For some of you, I mean, within your groups, you're gonna have to negotiate this time so that you at least get everything done and spend a fair amount of time on everyone's piece. That's going to vary because some of you will have longer pieces and shorter pieces, but you want to do your best to make sure everyone gets some feedback. So the idea is that you will complete this and get your feedback to the author within 24 hours, because you probably won't be able to get it done right there on the spot. So you want to save this piece, this document. And I give you, so the same thing, you're gonna save it and you'll have, I don't really need to save this for purposes of this. So you wanna download this and you're gonna have 4 of these or 3, however many people are in your workshop. So writers, to prepare, you want to go ahead and upload your piece. So to do that, to upload your workshop piece, you're gonna come to your group area, and then you're gonna select reply. Everyone's gonna select reply. Wherever it is your piece is saved on your computer, you need to upload it. Please, people, make sure you are uploading something that's saved in Word. So here is my small group workshop piece. It would be great, it would be an asset if you can go ahead and type in, you know, what you want them to look at. So same thing as we did before. It would be helpful if you type, so I am, you know, workshop chapter 3. So that's nice if you could do that ahead of time. And then I want you to look at my character development. I just don't think they're engaging. That's my challenge. And it would be great if you could do that ahead of time. So it will, when my reviewers are looking at filling out their form, right? They already have some of that. Oh, and probably should also, and if you need to make a change to what you've posted, just go back and hit the edit button. Edit, don't add a new one. Workshop, and this is a fiction piece. Remember, if it's not already 6 double space pages, I did say I'll let you fidget with single space, but it's short fiction. You want to, that might be something I want help with also. So is it engaging in, under 6 pages or something? So I'll hit the submit button, and everyone in your group needs to get this task done by the start of class, so that even though you have half a class on Wednesday, you also have half a class on Tuesday, you have all of class on Thursday to complete the small group workshop. And once you're done, after I got feedback, I will go back to the same person's name. I'll hit the reply to that individual person. And then you will upload 2 things. You're going to upload the workshop description form that you filled out, and you're also going to upload your document that you've typed in all kinds of great content and information. So I should have a response from each person in my workshop with 2 things: that workshop form and my original piece with your comments in it. And that is how we do the small group. If you have any questions after reviewing this, you can post them in the virtual office. And we can also, we'll spend a few minutes in that transition between full class and small class, just about 5 minutes talking about any questions you have. So it's best for me to get them ahead of time.